Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. And in the next few days we have Sindhi Cheti Chand coming up. This is our new year. On this day we usually make Tehri and Sai Bhaji. Tehri is sweet saffron rice flavored with cardamom. This can be made with sugar or with jaggery. It's accompanied mostly with Sai Bhaji and the dry version of either fried potatoes or some dry bhaji to go with it. So last year on Cheti Chand, I had posted the sugar version, the Khandavari Tehri. So today let's make the Guravari Tehri with jaggery. It's almost the same, the basic recipe is the same, but few different ingredients are added to it, like saunf is added and dry coconut slivers are added to this Guravari Tehri. So let's proceed to make this, and I'm wishing all my Sindhi friends and viewers a very happy Cheti Chand. Cheti Chand जो तव्हां सभिनी भाउरनि भेनरुनि खे लख लख वाधायूं हुजनि. जय झूलेलाल. So now let's proceed to make the Tehri. Here are the ingredients. We have taken some pistachio and almond slices for garnishing, 1 pinch of salt, dry coconut slivers, few cashew nuts, about 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, few strands of saffron, and 5 to 6 cardamoms coarsely crushed. Then we have organic jaggery, half cup, ghee about 2 to 3 tablespoons, 1 cup of basmati rice, washed it well and soaked it for 1 hour. The detailed recipe with the ingredients can also be seen on my website. I am sharing the link in the description box below. So now let's proceed to make Guraji Tehri. Heat ghee in a pan. Take it according to your preference, 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. Some like to have less ghee. When it melts, you add the slightly crushed cardamoms, fennel seeds or saunf, cashew nuts cut into halves, and coconut slivers. You can use fresh coconut or dry coconut, whichever you have. Stir fry them on medium flame. Stir them continuously so that they get fried evenly on all the sides. Do this until they give out a nice aroma. Once this is done, stir in the rice, which is already washed and soaked for 1 hour. Saute them a bit. Saute until the moisture from the rice is dried up. Now add 1 3/4 cups of water. So for 1 cup rice, we are adding 1 3/4 cup of water. The remaining moisture will be from the melted jaggery. It should not exceed 2 cups. Give a good stir and add a pinch or 2 of salt. This will balance the flavors. And add the saffron, raisins about 1 tablespoon, stir them together, allow them to boil. Place the lid and cook until they are 3/4 done. In between, open the lid and stir carefully. You can see the saffron has given a nice color to the rice. Kitchen is filled with such a lovely aroma. Now the rice is almost 3/4 done. At this stage, we can add the jaggery. Now since this is organic jaggery powder, I'm adding it just like sugar on top. If you are using the lump jaggery, you have to cook it with water, remove the impurities and then add to the rice. But again remember, the total liquid content should not exceed 2 cups. Jaggery water plus the water should be total, in fact little less than 2 cups. Now keep stirring in between until the moisture is dried up and the rice is cooked. Do this on medium and low flame, do not increase the flame. Check if the rice is done. Once it is done, you place it on the griddle hot tawa for dum, which will take 4 to 5 minutes. This will puff the rice nicely and cook it. You can see the water is all dried up and bottom rice has become brownish in color. And check each grain is cooked and separate also. Now the Tehri is done, ready to be served. You can enjoy it with Sai Bhaji and some version of potato fried or dry curry. This is the meal made in all the Sindhi homes on festive days, especially Cheti Chand. Do check out the sugar version also, Khandaji Tehri. The link is given in the description box. Make and enjoy. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so and hit the bell icon to get notifications of the new uploads. Check out these videos from the archives. You might have missed watching them. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.